Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today time we are going to upload guys Infinix phone guys. Date and time setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we update mobile time in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to update guys your phone time guys. So how can you update and how can you use guys Infinix phone guys phone time setting guys. Today friends we will talk about and I will show you. And guys, now let's see how can we update guys our phone time in our Infinix phone. So guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and click on guys your phone system setting guys, click on phone system setting guys. And once you can see guys your phone date and time guys, tap here. Once you can see set time guys, tap here to update it. So once you can update, as you can see this phone hour list and guys phone minute list, and once am pm guys we can update from here. So I will update into guys 6, and once you can 6 o'clock am. So once you can see guys your phone time will update 6 p.m. So like that guy, we can update guys Infinix phone guy phone time guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.